I applied for the Warm Homes Local Grant as a colleague in work mentioned it to me, and it sounded like something I was really interested in. My home was always quite cold. I have a loft room where all the heat escapes to. I didn't have a radiator in my living room, which is quite open plan, so it was always very, very cold in the winter. And due to the financial crisis, it was very hard to heat my home given the cost. So I would only have it on for about an hour or so, which would only bring it up to around about 15 degrees. The survey was really, really straightforward. Cara came in to see me. She took all the measurements from the house. We discussed different measures that you could have. She was really in depth with what happens within the grant, what happens in the next stages. She discussed all the property inside and out and was very informative. I've had installed the air source heat pump, and I've also had solar panels put on the front of my property and on the back of my property, and had new radiators. The full installation of the heat pump was only 5 days and it ran smoothly, and all the engineers are really, really helpful. I'm really excited about the changes that have been made, just to see the saving aspect of it and just to see how the technology works within my home. I found the grant to be very beneficial. It's not something I would have been able to afford without it. I have also recommended it to colleagues and friends. I would definitely recommend Severn Wye. They have been so friendly, so helpful. They've updated me every step of the way, and they've all kept in contact just to see how it's going, and it's always been really, really friendly service.